Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm just going to talk about a credit card that is called Bilt Review Card, and this card is quite trending in right now because this card have so many different features which you can just avail whenever you will order this card. So I'm just telling you five things related to this card that is most important and you must need to know if you're going for a credit card. If you want to apply a credit card, then you just have to know these things. So firstly, the thing is the card name is Bilt Rewards card, that is powered by MasterCard maybe, and the first benefit is you won't pay fees. There is no yearly fees on this card. If you apply it, there will no fees be applied on this card, and this is yearly maintenance is already free. So this can maybe the best card for you. Next is earning are competitive, like there is 5 points per dollar one spent on lift, 3 points per dollar one spent on dining, 2 points per dollar spent on travel. So there is lot of things by which you can just earn by this card. Like if you spend $10, so you will get about $30 as a point, and then you can redeem these points later to your any of, if you want to buy some product, if you want any discount in your concession, so you can just use these points in that menu. So this is the thing. The third thing is reward option are plentiful but values vary. So this is maybe good. You could earn interest on your points also. If you have more than 1 lakh points earned, then you can earn interest on your points also. Not only on your money, you can earn interest on your points also. After that, the last point is it offers some extra perks. So this card is genuinely good for any of traveler, any of food vlogger, or any of media creator. That will be most good and the best card for you. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like. Then we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.